In Kerala, as a result of the surge in cases, there are new guidelines which are in place. At religious places, people can be allowed to worship, but they need to have a distance of 2 meters between them. Cinema halls, malls, gymnasiums, clubs, sports complexes, swimming pools. These are other areas which swimming pools, malls, these have all been shut down for the moment. Lots of other guidelines have been put into place. Sneha Meri Koshi joins us for more on this. Sneha, Kerala's healthcare build-up in light of these numbers has perhaps been better than most other states, but the government still feels that these new steps are important. Why, and what are some of the numbers that we are seeing in Kerala presently?
Well, Vishnu, that's right. In fact, that's the reason why the government has gone ahead and ordered these restrictions. If you look at the test positivity rate, it's over 22%, and it has been consistently increasing for the last 1 week. And that is the primary concern for the government in terms of the numbers of daily cases that has been increasing. Now, even though there's no shortage as such, cumulatively across districts when it comes to resources like beds and all, the pressure is definitely being seen. Many private hospitals are saying that they're going full capacity. Medical colleges, they almost were up to full capacity, and now on war footing, several beds, and especially critical care beds, are being set up on war footing literally. So that is one of the things that the government is looking at. For example, from 700, now Thiruvananthapuram Medical College is targeting around 1400 critical care beds. Similarly, private hospitals have been told that around 25% of their beds need to be reserved for COVID patients as well. So all of this coming as a measure to cater to what the government looks at a possible massive surge in days to come as these numbers continue. And to give you a sense of what the primary restrictions at this point is, cinema halls, gyms, sports complexes, swimming pools, entertainment parks, all of these are going to be closed. In fact, interestingly, some exams, today was the last exam for class 12. The practicals have been postponed for that, but SSLC still has 3 exams left. In terms of religious places of worship, you can gather around with 2 meters of distance, but with a cap of 50 people. In case of weddings, also there have been strict restrictions which have been brought in. Shops and restaurants to close by 7:30. After that, only takeaways are going to be allowed till 9 o'clock. Saturdays and Sundays will remain a holiday for government offices. Other days, all meetings for public and private offices should be held online. So several such measures in place, restrictions in place for weddings and funerals, further curtailed down. So all of these measures as a, as an attempt to contain the daily rise in cases.
Thanks very much, Sneha, for those details.